Hi guys, it's Mrs. Olson here and Oren. We're having a little lunch. Actually, Oren's eating lunch right now while I get some work done. I'm working from home, as you can see. This is my office area here, and my living room is in the background. My house is not very big, so you can see the kitchen right here too. We are just going to do a little video here to share with you guys on how to use Google Meets. Some of you guys maybe are familiar with using it. Maybe you've tried it at home a little bit. Others maybe don't have any clue what we're doing. So I want to show you guys what I'm going to do in my classroom just to try it out first, and then we'll see how it goes after the first week of our meetings. By now, most of you guys got an email from Mr. Bunn telling you guys what we are expecting for distance learning plans. We are going to have Mondays as our regular class day. So every hour when you would normally have your class, you're going to be coming to an online video meet. And it's not going to go for the whole 50 minutes. We're going to have shorter videos or shorter chat times. And for the first few weeks, it's going to be just a trial period because we have no idea how it's going to work with everybody because we've never done it before. But we are going to do that. And then on Tuesdays through Fridays, we are going to have smaller group activities, individual activities, kind of like our flexible learning plans, but there'll be a little bit more structure to them and they'll be more consecutive. So you'll have things that maybe go with other assignments there. So I wanted just to show you guys how to use this program first because it's new to me too. I'm sure it's new to you. I don't have a Chromebook, but I think it's very similar on any device that you use. So I'm going to show you with my MacBook what it looks like and how it's going to work for me. And I think it's going to be pretty similar for you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to present my screen or share my screen with you guys so I can show you guys how to get in and do all the things you need to get done with it. Okay, so let me do that. I'm going to click on present. And I'm going to go with my entire screen. So, okay. So it should be presenting to everyone right now. I'm going to go to a new tab and go to my Schoology account. And right now I'm recording a video for reading. So I have a video chat link for reading class. I'll be moving it up to the top. Actually, I'm going to do that right now. I'm just going to move it all the way to the top of the pile there so that you guys have access to that right away. And when you click on that, that's going to go to a thing that looks like it's not working. But all you have to do is click on the little blue words there that say your weekly reading class video chat. And that's going to open a new tab, and it should open a Google Meet tab. Now you should be able to sign in at this point with your Gmail account from school. You should already have that all in there. You just need to click on join or sign in. And then it will have a little video that looks like what I have up here on the screen. Now, this is not recording. I'm not in the class right now. It's just showing me what it will look like when I join the class. So this is where you can check your hair, check your makeup, check your background, make sure that it's appropriate and that you know what you have in your view. This is also the time that I would probably ask you, you've got to bite still. I would probably ask you to mute yourself. There's a little mute button right here. Turn your microphone off so that we're not all talking at the same time when we get on. And then I'll call on you guys to talk at certain times. If you don't want people to see you right away, you can turn your camera off. If you're trying to get stuff figured out or you need to take a minute or whatever, you can turn your camera off if you want to. I would prefer you don't just so I know who you are, but I do have your email on there so I'll know who is signed in and all that. Okay, so then you have to click on join now, and that will be how you get into the actual class. If you don't click join now and you'll just see the screen, it means you're not in the class yet. So in order for us to know that you're there, you have to click join now. And on Mondays, we will be taking attendance this way. So you need to make sure you come to the classes that you're required to be at. All right, so let's go back to the main screen. I'm going to stop presenting now so that you can see what this looks like on Google Meets. So up in the right-hand corner here, oh, actually, I need to present still. Sorry, guys. Let me do this again. You're fine. You want water? So up in the right-hand corner of your screen, I believe you guys can see this, but I'm not sure what it's going to look like on yours. There's some tabs up here. So the first one tells you how many people are in the class. Right now it says 2, but that's because it's me and myself presenting here. So that'll say who's presenting. Wherever you see green is the person talking. If someone's talking and they don't have their microphone on, that'll be green on multiple people's. You can also click on chat right here. This is a great way to ask questions where you're not going to interrupt the whole class. You can just type your message there. The whole class will see it, so make sure that you are typing something that's appropriate for the whole class to read. But I will see that as well, and we can answer those questions on there. You also have the options down here to record, to mute yourself and to turn your camera off. And at some point, I will have you guys present. Right now, I don't want you presenting yet just because it's all new to us, presenting your screens. So that's an option for you as well. And then when you're all done with the call, you'll click on the hang up button, just like you would if you're talking on a phone. You just hang up the conversation, and then it will be done. Hopefully this makes sense to you guys and it's not too confusing. I'm going to try making more videos this week so you guys know what to expect and what's going to be coming in the next few months that we have school. We'll see how this goes. It's all new to us too. So, all right. Well, I will talk to you guys soon. Hopefully you guys are doing good and you are enjoying this little break, but also making sure that you are still getting stuff done for Q3 and also having fun at home with your family and being safe. So, all right. We'll talk to you soon.